how do you use role play at your organization for persuasion, but also precision? Because the people need to say exact things when they're doing their practicing.
There's this quote that we've kind of started using as our the mantra for how we position second nature and the AI role plays within our organization. It's from a former Brazilian soccer star. His name is Ronaldinho. Don't practice until you get it right. Practice until you can't get it wrong. Compliance is really of the utmost importance in a pharmaceutical and medical device space. The FDA is a regular presence at the medical conferences and the exhibit halls. They're there to observe how companies are promoting their products, what the people at the booths are saying about the products. And so we really need anybody from our organization who is customer facing to be really buttoned up on that. And that's one of the great things that the Second Nature platform has helped us with.